Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix your device compatible this version. First, open setting, go to apps and search Google Play Store. Then click now. Then click the storage and clear cache this app. And click permission. Now all permission allow this app. Now open the Play Store. Click profile icon. Now tap on setting. Tap network performance. Tap apps download performance. Click over any network. Tap OK. Now all complete. Then search eFootball game. That's it. Your problem is fixed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.